Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows could not find a driver from for your network adapter in Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. Let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial, I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, going to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and after that, run the network and internet. Okay guys, after that, close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is there. Right click on a start menu, go to your device manager. After opening the device manager, go to your network adapter. Select a network adapter. Right click, click on update driver. Click on browse my computer from driver. Click on let me pick from a list available driver on my computer and select the model. Click next to continue. Close it and close it. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that right click on a start menu, go to your device manager. After that, go to your network adapter, right click, select the network adapter, right click and uninstall the device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer and once again reinstall your driver. And after doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.